He lived and died for us, what have I done? I have forsaken his life, I have abandoned his way. Oh Allah, now my time has come. Deep in my heart I feel a change has begun. Deep in my soul I feel the warmth of the sun. Burning bright with Iman on the road to Ihsan. All my obstacles I will overcome. Peace be upon Rasulullah. Peace be upon Habib. Peace be upon Muhammad. Peace be upon Shafi'ullah. Peace be upon Khayr Khalilullah. Peace be upon Muhammad. La Islam. With Ahl Sunnah we disgrace. People rushing